In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Wallpapers and Style. Now you need to scroll to click on Icons and operate this slider to adjust size of them. You can check out Preview at the top. Last but not least, to save your changes, hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!